Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that's often used in legal contexts, adjudicate. It might look a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is adjudicate. Let's break it down. First, we have which sounds like the in cup. Next is ju, which rhymes with you and is stressed. Then comes d, which sounds like the D in diner. Finally, Kate sounds like Kate, as in the name. Now let's put it all together. Adjudicate. Try repeating after me, adjudicate. Now a little faster, adjudicate. And at full speed, adjudicate. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Adjudicate means to make a formal judgment or decision about a problem or dispute, often in a legal context. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce adjudicate and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.